The last topic we'll discuss this week is SNMP, which stands for Simple Network Management Protocol. Complex systems require active management. It doesn't take too many devices in a network before this becomes a very complex task. Management includes monitoring, evaluating, and analyzing operation, performance, and security of the various devices in the network. The basic infrastructure for network management requires a centralized network management system that communicates with software agents on managed devices using a network management protocol. Within the device are several managed objects, such as network cards or CPUs on servers. The standard protocol for this communication is SNMP. The heart of SNMP is the SNMP Manager, which is a server configured to poll the SNMP agents for information, as well as receive alerts sent by the agents. The agents are responsible for gathering information about the managed objects and storing them in a format that can be queried, updating a database called a Management Information Base, or MIB. The MIB is a hierarchical, predefined structure that stores information about the device that can be queried or set. SNMP is an application layer protocol. Earlier versions typically use UDP for the transport protocol and use a simple shared password for authentication between the manager and agents. The latest version, version 3, includes security enhancements for authentication and encryption. Version 3 uses either UDP or TCP under TLS when digital certificate authentication is desired. In SNMP, there are two message types: request response and trap. There are 5 subtypes of requests. The first is the GET request. This is a manager to agent request to retrieve the value of a variable or list of variables. Then there's the GET next request. This request allows a manager to request the next sequential object in the agent's management information base. The third type of request is a GET bulk request. This request allows the manager to search and retrieve multiple values from an agent with a single request. Then there's the inform request. This request is sent from one manager to another when there is more than one SNMP manager in the network. Note that the latest SNMP versions allow a manager to agent inform requests for the acknowledgement of traps. There's a set request. This is sent by the manager to an agent to set a MIB value. The response message is the agent's response to a request by a manager. A trap is sent by the agent to the manager. It is an alert informing the manager that something has happened. The SNMP message includes the version number, the password, and the protocol data unit, which is the payload part of the application messages. This slide shows the format of the SNMP PDUs. The PDU type indicates the type of request reply or trap. The request ID identifies a particular SNMP request. This number is echoed back in the response from the SNMP agent, allowing the SNMP manager to match an incoming response to the appropriate request. The first part of the name-value pair is an identifier of the object monitored, such as the number of packets passing through a router's interface. And the second part is the actual value.